Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Kind of had a fellow YouTuber encourage me to make this video. We were talking about who had the messiest shop, and I was thinking I did. He put out a video and challenged me to do the same. So I think what we'll do, we'll link the videos together somehow and we will let you guys decide. So here goes. Here's the Mustang. That's our winter project. That's just around the corner. Will be coming up. It currently does not run. There's the Chevy dump truck that we've got to put the dash back in. I repaired the dash. It was all cracked. We have some hydraulic issues in the skid steer. The Kubota we do not have to work on. And I'm hoping to, if the weather holds out, to get the new tracks put on the excavator that's been sitting on the skid for a few months. But anyway, I know there's probably going to be some wheels that we have to replace in it, some rollers, but we won't know that until we get into it. And then we have the Terramite. Actually, right now, that's not even on the list to work on. But anyway, the shop is cluttered. I started a metal trash pile over there. Got my high dollar Harbor Freight tire changer. A couple extra buckets for the Terramite. Bucket for the skid steer. A busted up cabinet that needs to go to a burn pile, but it's got a bunch of screws and stuff in it. So we'll be making a burn pile directly. The old driver's seat out of the A-Team van, and the old divider out of the A-Team van that we had to cut out. So I'm using this tailgate as replacement panels for the floor pan of the van. And we currently have the van in here, disemboweling it from the heater and air conditioner in the rear. We've got most of it taken apart. We've got a little bit left to go. But in my shop, there's pass, kind of like a hoarder. Pass everywhere. I've got a bad problem about laying things down when I get done with them. But anyway, as you can tell, that cabinet actually rolls up underneath the workbench over here, and it's out in the middle of the floor with crap piled all on it. Couple shelves with disorganized crap. Workbench, I couldn't use it if I needed to because things are piled on it. One toolbox that if I seem to have a drawer open, it becomes a shelf. I can't even get to that part of it. Other toolbox, as you can tell, it's cluttered with drawers open, things hanging out of them. So anyway, this is just the lift section of the shop. So let's go on the other side. Here we have the world of wonder. I wonder what the hell I'm going to do with most of this stuff. So I have seats galore. If any of you are in the market for a seat, let me know. That one currently is not for sale. That is going into the A-Team van. Filing cabinets, I did put everything. I've used filing cabinets for storage. You can pick them up pretty cheap. I put rollers on them so you can actually pull them out and sweep in behind them. Bolt bins over there. A couple lawnmowers that need to be transferred to the garage over at the house. I've got a cleaning cabinet slash air tool or air accessory cabinet here that is kind of a wreck also. I do have to put, I've got a bunch of pipe to put I guess you'd call it central air lines throughout the garage. That's also another winter project. This pile here of crap, I think it just kind of became a trash can. And I've got more captain's chairs than I care to think about. I kept finding them, and I found better ones until I finally decided on a set. There's the almost 30-year-old Skag mower that's still going strong. Original motor. Another workbench in here. And guess what? It's cluttered full of crap too. More cabinets. As you can tell, this cabinet exploded with all my plumbing stuff. I don't know how it exploded, but it did. But I put that on a 3/4 inch piece of plywood, actually part of the divider that come out of the van, and put it on wheels. So some of them I don't have filled yet, but they will soon be. The old refrigerator needs to be power washed. An old military desk that the mice have taken over. Amazon boxes. Why? I don't know. I don't have a reason. I do have cabinets from a house I tore down that I do want to eventually put up here on the wall. If I ever get them hung, that'll be a big spot out of the floor. Another seat, another lawnmower. I got plenty of lawnmowers. This lawnmower, I think I'm going to, if I get around to it, it's pretty low on the priority list. It still runs, it just needs a battery. But I'm thinking about making it into either a racing lawnmower, lowering it and changing the pulleys around, or make it into a pulling mower. Probably wouldn't be the best for a pulling motor because I think it's a Yardman or something like a Murray brand. So, again, like I say, everything is scattered. Nothing is in its place. No, absolutely nothing. I've got stuff in here that I probably haven't used in a couple years. It just continues to get worse. These are Cadillac seats out of about a 2000 model STX or something, with the sporty Cadillac. But I don't have the brain to it, so I've got to figure out how to wire the power around it. I've kind of taken them apart and fiddled with them a little bit. Got discouraged and moved on. Or discouraged or ADD kicked in, something else shiny come up. But anyway, that's the shop. It's a freaking wreck. I know it is. I'm embarrassed and ashamed about it. I can't believe I'm actually making a video of it. But anyway, full of crap. Ryan, I don't know if I got you beat, but boy, I am right behind you. So, anyway, that's a nickel tour. I know you probably want change back, but it is what it is. So we may have some videos of before and after coming up when we're done. That shop there is pretty much clean compared to this one, so we ain't gonna go there. So that's where we're at, guys. Go check out Ryan's video, and if you think his shop is messier, let him know, and if not, let me know if mine is. I know it's a wreck. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.